Hundreds of thousands of Californians are struggling to find affordable homeowners insurance. And today we're learning more about one step the governor is taking to help address that. As we have been reporting for years now, most major insurers have paused or limited business in our state. They cite rising wildfire risk, increased cost of rebuilding, and what they consider burdensome regulations. Tonight, ABC 10's Becca Habegger shows us what state lawmakers will now consider.
We need to stabilize this market. We need to send the right signals. We need to move.
At a news conference unveiling revisions to his budget proposal earlier this month, Governor Gavin Newsom announced plans for a bill he said would help lead to more affordable and available insurance for homeowners.
I can't impress upon them more the urgency that we share.
One of the reasons why homeowners insurance companies have been pausing or limiting business in California is the sluggish rate approval process. Under Proposition 103, which voters passed in 1988, insurance companies are required to get state approval before raising their rates, and the public can intervene in that process if they feel the increase a company is requesting is too high. The rate approval process can take months, even more than a year. Insurance companies say their rates can't keep pace with rising costs.
We need to get this rate ruling process done, and that's why we want to expedite it over a 60-day period.
The exact language of Newsom's proposal came out on Tuesday. It would require the California Department of Insurance to complete a company's rate request within 60 days, with possible extensions if needed.
Will we continue to make insurance companies be transparent and make them justify what they want to charge? Or will the Department of Insurance turn into a rubber stamp for the insurance industry, getting whatever rate increases they want? And that's where this proposal is heading.
Carmen Balber is executive director of Consumer Watchdog, which is the group most often intervening in the rate approval process, objecting when they feel insurance companies are asking for too high of an increase. She says Newsom's proposal would limit the ability of the public to object to a rate request and worries it could lead to higher rates for California homeowners.
This bill targets directly the public participation process that has saved homeowners more than $2 billion in the last 20 years in excessive rate increases.
The American Property Casualty Insurance Association, the primary national trade association for home, auto, and business insurers, tells ABC 10 in part, streamlining the rate review process will help increase consumer access to coverage by ensuring rates adequately reflect risk and consumer claims, especially in the wake of rapidly changing conditions. Streamlining approvals is key to modernizing our regulatory system and fixing the California insurance crisis. In Sacramento, Becca Habegger, ABC 10 News.
We asked the governor's office what's next for this proposed bill, and a spokesperson says that we intend to work with the legislature on this policy, which will determine how and when it would be enacted. Now, we know there are a lot of moving parts when it comes to California's insurance crisis, so if you are looking for more information, make sure you head to our website, abc10.com/links.